Welcome to another cooking episode. On today's episode, I'm going to be recreating one of my favorite dishes right now in the fall, pumpkin pancakes. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make those real fast.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now
Alright, so I'm going to take 1 cup of pancake mix, 1 cup of pumpkin mix, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then we're going to mix it up a little bit just to get it going. Then I'm going to slowly pour in 1 cup of buttermilk. The reason I don't pour it all in one shot is because I want to make sure my batter is nice and thick. Sometimes the pumpkin puree will throw it off a little bit. I don't want it really loose. So I just go in a little bit and see where we're at and gradually add. So I need more here. So you can see it's still a little thick. So I need to add a little bit more. So that's 1 cup. And it still seems a little bit too thick for what I'm looking. It's getting there, but just a little bit too thick. So lucky for me, I have a little bit of extra buttermilk on the side. I'm going to add 2 more ounces. That's perfect. Now I'm going to whisk it to get it nice and smooth. Okay. At this point, we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Now I'm by my flat grill. I'm going to add a little pan spray to make sure it doesn't stick. A little bit of clarified butter. Spread it around. Now we're going to take 4 ounces of the mix. Like that. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to go for 4. Now we're going to push them down a little bit. We're going to cook them on each side for 2 minutes.
Civil authorities in your area have just reported that the canine has been driving people to commit suicide by means of multimedia.
Now we're going to flip. Go. And then another 2 minutes on this side.
Holding within the city of Chicago and its suburbs ranging from Evanston to Oak Park Forest. At around 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, reports of a hideous, grotesque looking demonic Siberian Husky dog was seen terrorizing local residents.
Then we're going to flip them back over one more time to make sure that they're cooked. Two more minutes on that side. Okay, at this time, it's time to pull them off. We're going to put the biggest one at the bottom. There you have it. All right, now, finishing touches. 100% maple syrup. And some powdered sugar. So there you have it, easy pumpkin pancakes made at home with a few ingredients. I could also garnish this with a little toasted nuts. For today, I didn't want to. I just want to make it very simple, something easy you can do. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for next Saturday. A new cooking show drops. Every Tuesday, a new cooking tips show drops. Mondays and Thursdays are vlogs. As always, you can follow me on Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, Chef Jesse Q on Twitter. Leave me any comments, any feedback. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. This was a very easy recipe and one of my favorites, actually. I'm always excited for autumn and fall to come around because then pumpkin comes with the season, even pumpkin coffees, anything with pumpkin. I love pumpkin. Again, thank you guys so much. See you guys next time.